give me your ears, because I am about to give you the main characters of the book, Lekki Headmaster. Of course, you already know that this book is the recommended JAMB novel for you. You can't jump it. It's the novel that JAMB gave us. The novel Lekki Headmaster by KARBIL Alabi Garba, right? We can't run away from it. It's a book you must read, right? And in the book, every novel has protagonists, main character, minor characters, and all the rest. So I'm going to give you just the main characters of the book. Of course, there is no way we can look at all the whole names in the book, right? But there are quite a few of them that I feel JAMB will focus on. Remember, on this channel, my goal is anything that will help you to score 300 and above. Anything that will help you not to be shocked when you enter the JAMB. Some people will say, some people after writing JAMB will say, JAMB them. No, it's not going to be your portion. It's not the portion of you. It's not the portion of you following noble tutorials. If you are following me on this tutorial, it means you are serious. If you are following me on this YouTube channel, it means you are among the serious ones and you are going to pass. Your portion is 300 and above. If you claim it, come under the comment of this video and tell me you claim it. Your portion is that you will get admission this year and you will score 300 and above. To make that happen, I need you to pay attention to the videos I drop for you every day. Pay attention, watch the videos, right? It is not just for fancy. What I'm giving is not Nollywood. It is something that will prepare you for your future, right? And if you have not watched, we have done over 40 videos on Lekki Headmaster. If you need me to give you free access to those videos I've done on Lekki Headmaster, I've read it chapter 1 to the last chapter, chapter 12. I've reviewed it chapter by chapter. I've given you expo questions. Any question that could come out from Lekki Headmaster, I've given it to you. If you need me to give you the video where I did all the link of all the videos we've done on Lekki Headmaster, just tell me to give it to you. Just mention you want me to give you a link to Lekki Headmaster and I'll give it to you. Now, the first character of the book is Mr. Beppo Adewale, right? He is the main character. Every chapter of that book is talking about this man. He's the one they call the Lekki Headmaster. Beppo Adewale, that is actually his full name. Beppo Adewale, but he's popularly called Mr. Beppo. Beppo is the protagonist of the novel and the principal of Stardom Schools in Lekki, Lagos. He is a dedicated educator known for his compassionate leadership, commitment to cultural preservation, and belief in transformative power of education, right? Beppo faces an internal conflict about living in Nigeria. His family was living in the UK, so he was torn up between, am I going to relocate to the United States or should I stay in Nigeria and face my job? Because this man really loved his job, right? He was a very, very good teacher. Mrs. Ibidon Gloss is the next prominent character in the novel. She is the MD, Managing Director of Stardom Schools. Mrs. Gloss is supportive and visionary leader who deeply appreciates Beppo's contribution. She was really supportive and she appreciates the contribution of the principal, Mr. Beppo, to the school. She is firm but fair. I need you to note these things I'm saying. Oh, my videos are not Nollywood or Hollywood. They are videos that will help you secure 300 and above if you claim it, right? At the end of this video, if you watch this video to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB past question from me and free JAMB syllabus, okay? The managing director of Stardom School, Mrs. Ibidon Gloss, is supportive. She is firm and fair, balancing administrative responsibility with the personal care for staff and students. Mrs. Gloss' farewell speech for Beppo reflects her admiration for his dedication. Her character highlights the importance of collaboration in leadership, right? Another funny character is Jide. Jide is the grandson of Beppo's landlord. He is a grandson of, he is the one that said, Beppo, take me, take me to the UK when you are going, or come back after 1 week to pick me. So Jide is the grandson of Bepo's landlord. Okay. Then another very important character is Mrs. Ignatius. Now, if you watch the videos I have released on Lekki Headmaster, there are more than 40 of them, you will find out that I read the book. If you say you have been reading the book, you are not understanding, I took out time to read that book for you, chapter by chapter. I did a video on chapter 1, did a video on chapter 2, did a video on all the chapters. Now, after that, I now did another series of videos on, I brought out each chapter and reviewed the questions that could come out from that particular chapter. I brought out chapter 1 and gave you the questions to expect from chapter 1. I brought out chapter 2 until all the chapters. Then I also gave you expo questions on the book. So if you need me to give you access to all the videos, I could give it to you free. I could give it to you free. If you watch this video to the end, you could get it free. Okay, Mrs. Ignatius. She's a parent in Stardom School. This woman is troublesome. Mrs. Ignatius deals with personal and family challenges, including a visa denial caused by a DNA test revealing her child's paternity. Her story adds depth to the narrative. So she is a parent in the school. She had her children in the school. But when her husband and her wanted to relocate abroad, the husband found out that one of the children does not belong to him, that this woman probably got pregnant outside and the man never knew. The next character is Tosh, or we can call him Oba Jr. If you have read this book, you know this character. Tosh is Banky's rival, and the son of Chief Didi Oba. The rivalry between Tosh and Banky reflects unresolved family disputes and the character of external influences on young ones. Tosh's character highlights themes of forgiveness and personal growth. Right? The family of Tosh and the family of Banky. The one was in one political party, the other one was in one political party, and they brought the issue, the rivalry, the disagreement to Stardom School in Lagos. Chief Didi Oba is the father of Tosh. Okay, he was formally detained and acquitted of embezzlement, right? Okay, Chief Oba represents societal struggles with reputation, justice, and reconciliation. Are you still with me? Mr. Amos. Mr. Amos is the accountant of the school, right? Remember the chapter on a snake in the roof. Remember what happened in that chapter when the MD found out that the school teacher had cars that were parking hiding somewhere, right? The Mississippi Dongloss actually summoned Mr. Amos and Mr. Bepo, the principal, to explain what happened about the school finance, about the staff cooperative society. Another important character is Mrs. Ogunwale and family. Mrs. Ogunwale is Bepo's landlord and her family. Mrs. Ogunwale is Bepo's landlord and her family, including Jide, supports Bepo during his preparations to leave Nigeria. They were actually the one that dropped him in the airport. Now, another important character is Tai. Tai is an agent who helps Bepo navigate the successful process of renewing his passport. Remember when Bepo went to Ibadan to renew his passport? It was this chairman, Tai, that helped him, right? Are you following me? Then Mr. Landell. This one is a Nollywood enthusiast and mother of Bibi. Bibi is a student in Stardom School in Lagos. Mrs. Landell's character has a humorous subplot. She is concerned about her daughter's fear of a teacher with tribal marks, showcasing. Now, I want to give you a first assignment. Find out for what is the name of that teacher that had tribal mark. And the name of the teacher starts with F. I won't tell you more, but I want you to jump and pass this question. Come on the comment and tell me the name of the teacher. Okay, Mr. Fafore, I won't tell you much about this character. Okay, and if you might know why I won't tell you much about him. Just tell me what give me the answer to the question I asked you. Mr. Egi Meko, the director of Beastway Group of Schools. This one is Mr. Egi Meko. He is the director of Beastway Group of Schools, where Bepo had taught before. Mr. Meko represents contrasting leadership style. His refusal to accept correction about the school's name showcases rigidity and resistance. The Mr. Beppo, who was English teacher there, was telling him to change the group of schools, and the man said no, it's group of school. Can you imagine? The students, of course, the Stardom students were an interesting part of the novel. Remember how they went to excursion in Badagry, how they went to Point of No Return, how they went to the museum. You know, they played an important role, and very importantly, they were in love with their principal. They loved the man. They loved Mr. Beppo so much. Okay, when Mr. Beppo wanted to travel, they were crying. When he came back, they were full of joy. Mrs. Ape. Okay, Mrs. Ape is a teacher in the school known for her discipline and stern demeanor. Mrs. Ape plays a supportive role in the school's operation. She represents the importance of structure and order in education. Mr. Ike was the referee. You remember the novelty match that they played in honor of Mr. Beppo when he was about traveling. So he was the referee that made sure that the teachers won. You know, very funny man. Then the last name we'll review is Mr. Audu. Mr. Audu is a funny man. He is the Sabu News, or the brain jotter of Lekki school, Stardom school. He was always making everybody laugh. He was making everybody laugh in the novel. Now, remember, if you want to get free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, let me know. If you need me to give you access to all the videos we have done on use of English, Lekki Headmaster, JAMB, biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, economics, all these subjects, if you want free access to them, just tell me to give you the link, then you mention the subject. To get these things, do 4 things. These are the things that will qualify you. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Noble Tutorials. There is an option to join. Click on join and join. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share this video. You must do these things. Like this video, share this video. When you share it on YouTube, then copy the link, share it on WhatsApp, share it on all the Telegram groups you belong to, share it on Facebook and all the rest. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. To get the free past question and free JAMB syllabus on your 4 subject, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then when you have done that, come under this comment and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see your comment saying I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send the materials to you. There's this video on the screen. I want you to click on it and watch now.